I'm going to show you a simple way to take a PDF into Word so that you can edit it. I need to go to my computer and find a file that I already have saved as a PDF. So I will find that file, open it in Word, and make sure it's the PDF version. I get this message that says it's going to be converting it, so it might take a little while. Go ahead and click OK, and then here it pops up. This is a worksheet I would like to use, and unfortunately, it comes from the UK, so it has some different words that we don't use and some spelling. So we're going to change the word brackets to say parentheses instead because that's what we use here in the United States. We also don't spell with the OU spelling, so I can click on this and get some spelling suggestions for neighborhood. Same thing with favorite and color. I would also like to add a spot where they can write their name on this worksheet so that they can get credit for it whenever they turn it in, so I will add that in there. And then once I have it all set and ready to go, I just need to save it again. So I'll go to File and I will Save As, and I can save it as any type of document I want. A Word document is fine. Click Save, and that is how you take a PDF to Word and edit it. Thanks for watching.